As a key part of Remote Monitoring Service (RMS) solution, the Video Monitoring Center integrates video security, alarms, and AI features to enable efficient alarm handling from a centralized center. This cutting-edge solution is perfect for unmanned facilities across various industries, whether you're managing rental warehouses, railway freight hubs, automotive dealerships, construction sites, retail stores, or resort hotels. The Video Monitoring Center adapts to your unique security needs. Let's see how it works. Hikvision's AI-enabled devices automatically detect threats and trigger alarms in real time. Then, alarms are routed through Hike Central's Professional Regard add-on, which prioritizes and assigns each alarm based on urgency and available resources. Every alarm is processed following your customized standard operating procedures, with complete evidence retention for future review and compliance. This solution has advantages over traditional security monitoring, when traditional approaches require security guards to physically verify each alarm. For video monitoring centers, we recommend using Deep-In View X cameras powered by Guanlan, Hikvision's large-scale AI model. The algorithms deliver superior capabilities, greatly increasing detection rates while reducing false alarms. Specifically, the detection range is extended up to 120 meters for network cameras and 400 meters for PTZs, more than double that of conventional cameras for perimeter protection. Meanwhile, false alarm rates can be reduced by over 90% compared to standard AI cameras, and repeated alarms are cut by 50%. Moreover, the solution combines live video feeds with alarms, enabling instant remote verification that boosts efficiency and reduces response time. Traditional security often suffers from inconsistent workflows and unpredictable responses. This solution provides customizable standard operating procedures, whether it's a holiday, weekend, or regular business day, guaranteeing standardized responses across all scenarios. Gone are the days of manual, uneven alarm allocation. The multi-scenario intelligent distribution includes 4 modes. Dynamic distribution mode ensures balanced alarm task allocation among agents. Auto-forwarding mode prevents unattended alarms, enhancing response time. Off-duty mode filters out off-duty agents, ensuring prompt responses. Site-specific distribution mode assigns alarms from the same site to one agent for higher efficiency. Traditional systems often struggle with poor evidence retention, slowing down critical investigations. Our solution integrates seamlessly with the Evidence Center, providing complete audit trails and comprehensive documentation for every incident. Hikvision's AccuSeek NVR is perfect for intelligent video retrieval. Through simple semantic descriptions, users can quickly locate targets. Simply input clothing colors, vehicle types, bicycles, or even animals to instantly find matching footage. This text-to-image search capability dramatically improves search efficiency. Leveraging Hikvision's products with AccuSeek and large-scale AI models, users can swiftly retrieve across vast video archives. To maximize your video monitoring center's potential, we kindly recommend our comprehensive product suite, Deep-In View X cameras, AccuSeek NVRs, alarm products, and the robust Hike Central Professional software platform that ties everything together. Hikvision's Video Monitoring Center solution helps service providers with smarter, faster, and more reliable operations, delivering greater business value and enhanced security.